So with that out of the way, currently we are seeing that businesses are facing a lot of challenges, and so pre-COVID time, this was a very true statement, and even during COVID time, I think this has been amplified. That business wants to move faster, right? Because now everything has gone digital because of COVID, and it was kind of moving in that direction earlier also. So while business wants to move faster, and they want to do that through software based resources, so they want to develop applications faster, they want to make sure that they are meeting the customers even before the customer realizes the pain. However, they have always faced challenge in terms of getting those IT resources whenever they wanted it. And at the same notion, IT also wants control, right? They don't want to give away um, everything to like the keys to the kingdom to all the developers and engineers. They want to kind of control things so that for the production environment, they have the right resources in place and avoid the complications and governance challenges that we are reading about day in and day out in the newspapers these days. And again, these challenges are not something that are made up, right? We conducted a research recently in Q1 of this year, and what we found in that research kind of confirmed that story. So 71% of the executives are talking about self-service IT and automation, and how that will be a key differentiator for their digital transformation initiatives. And again, when you go to not just enterprises but also the mid-market companies, this is becoming the key differentiator for them. 76% or more than 3/4 of the executives are showing or talking about how integration of third-party services is difficult. And what we had done was, this survey was focused on director and above in the IT space. So these are real numbers that we have gathered from those executives. And when they are talking about integration being a challenge, I'm sure that they are facing it every day, especially when they want to make their developers grow faster. So CloudBolt helps customers not only just face these challenges, but overcome them very confidently. So we are a cloud management platform that sits on top of your private and public clouds, or your container environment, if you would have that, or even Terraform, right? So we become that single source of truth for your entire environment, from where they can consume the resources. And the way we do that is through blueprints and self-service catalog. So when you're talking about self-service IT, the key thing that you need to do is take out all those pain points. Like, if I am a business person, I should not be remembering all the credentials, although those credentials should be safely guarded in the platform itself. So we help you and your internal customers do that. Plus, we also have built-in cost and security guardrails that Jeff will be showing in the demo, in terms of if you want a particular group, particular user to limit in a particular budget, how can you do that through CloudBolt platform?